Epson has been a leader in ultra short throw laser projection for many years now, and we're excited to share with you one of our latest products, the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS650. Like all Epson projectors, the EpiqVision Ultra LS650 is based on a unique 3-chip, 3LCD technology, providing outstanding color and white brightness without any picture rainbowing or color brightness limitations seen with other projection technologies. And for the first time at this price point, the EpiqVision Ultra LS650 uses Epson's unique 4K Pro UHD resolution technology for an incredibly sharp picture. One of the benefits of ultra short throw laser technology allows the EpiqVision Ultra LS650 to display an immersive 120-inch picture while sitting just inches away from the wall. This makes it ideal for creating epic, big screen home theater experiences without the complexity of in-ceiling projection. And with an incredible 3600 lumens of white and color brightness, the picture looks amazing in virtually any lighting environment, with or without a dedicated screen. Another great feature includes built-in Wi-Fi and Android TV, allowing you to easily stream all your favorite content from apps like YouTube or Max. You can even watch live TV with apps like YouTube TV. And with a custom 2.1 sound system designed by Yamaha, the audio experience is awesome, rivaling many dedicated soundbars. So, whether you're binge watching your favorite TV series, having an epic movie night with your family, or simply watching live TV up to 120 inches, the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS650 is truly an epic entertainment experience.
With Samsung's latest innovation, you can bring the magic of cinema into your home. The Premier Laser Projector gives you a brilliant 130-inch picture without a screen. It's just the walls.
Sorry, who are you?
But it's just so simple, you can move it around the house.
Excuse me.
Go.
Movie time. The apps are already built in, so you can stream your favourite films and TV. Okay, movie time over.
Oh, what?
Just eat your chips.
Your mum's weird. That's not our mum.
With 4K resolution, these nerds can do this for hours. Sorry guys, game over.
Excuse me. Could you leave our house, please?
Sure. Create your own private cinema with the Premiere from Samsung. Oh. Okay, well, enjoy your night.
Hi, my name is Dennis, and today we'll check out this cutting-edge Hisense 100 L9G trichroma laser TV that delivers a top-notch sound and picture experience by combining an ultra-short-throw laser console, a premium 100-inch giant screen with elimination of ambient lighting, and a smart operating system. Inspired by the world of incredible color, this Hisense 100 L9G laser TV offers an outstanding viewing experience. This Hisense L9G Laser TV is one amazing product, and it has a lot of awards to show for. According to the 2021 Value Electronics TV Shoutout, a well-known and go-to place in the USA to purchase audio and TV equipment, the Hisense L9G was crowned King of Ultra Short Throw projectors among some serious competition. If you're looking for a bigger TV for your living room or even your theater room, if you have one, then this latest model of the Hisense Trichroma Laser TV, the 100 L9G, with most cutting-edge features, is an excellent choice for you. The L9G uses a triple laser technology with three different color laser sources emitting pure red, green, and blue light to achieve new levels of color performance and more color than you've ever seen on a TV. It significantly improves the picture quality as well as the brightness uniformity, making colors true to life and details extremely spotless. As you watch the sunset on the screen, you will truly feel like you are on the top of a mountain watching a real sunset right out there in the distance. There's going to be smooth yellows, oranges, and reds, and the gradients are extremely realistic. Equipped with a massive 100-inch ALR screen, the L9G can reject ambient lights from all directions, blocking over 85% of the glare, enhancing the color that's being projected to the screen, making it brighter, smoother, and bolder. The picture is clear and crisp, bright and detailed. ALR, or ambient light rejection, basically prevents reflection of the light from the room on the screen, preserving contrast and color of the image. Even in well-lit rooms, its performance is still incredible. You don't have to kill the lights to get a killer picture. Thanks to the ultra short throw projector, the console only needs 30.3 centimeters of distance to the wall. It is very easy to install and fits in any living room. This Hisense 100L9G Laser TV offers the magic of a unique cinema experience straight in your home. This experience is created by a totally immersive giant screen and a true-to-life sound. Thanks to 4K HDR and unparalleled 3000 lumens of brightness, images are stunningly vibrant, sharper and brighter, and shown in their true colors just the way the director intended for you to see them. FYI, lumen is a direct measure of the amount of light. The lower the number, the darker and more controlled the room should be, and the higher the number, it allows you more direct light sources in the room, like daylight. So, 3000 lumens brightness is ideal for rooms that have natural light streaming in. The built-in Dolby Atmos audio with 40 watts of speaker systems makes sure that the individual sounds come from all directions, even from above your head, filling the space with amazing clarity, rich sound, extreme details, and above all, very, very rich depth. The sound actually follows you around the room as you're sitting in it. Very cool, huh? Did you know that blue light, which all screens produce, is the main reason your eyes feel tired? I bet you didn't know that watching a laser TV is easier on the eyes because it emits almost zero blue light, making longer viewings more eye-friendly. The reason behind it is that instead of emitting light directly into your eyes, the light from the projector already bounces off of the screen, absorbing most of the blue light. This is confirmed by the TÜV Rheinland certificate for filtering out blue light. One of the features that this TV also has for protecting your eyes is there's a proximity sensor, so if something were to come in between the laser and the screen, the laser automatically switches off. This Hisense Laser TV is a real smart TV with personalized and intuitive operating system developed by Hisense. VIDA brings the best content from global and local partners to your screen, making it all about you. But a laser TV is not only for online TV and streaming services, it also works just like a normal broadcast TV. Thanks to a built-in TV tuner, which was the first introduced by Hisense, a Hisense Laser TV can receive, process, and display the broadcasting TV signal. Hisense is very aware that green technologies are key to sustainable development that leads to a sustainable future. A Hisense Laser TV is one important step to help preserve the environment because it reaches 92.3% high recyclability and is low in energy consumption. So, to wrap it up, if you're looking for an ultra-realistic image and a cinematic sound experience, the Hisense Trichroma 100L9 Laser TV is exactly what you need. Thank you for watching.